What's going on, guys? E-Bibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So we got a quick and easy good one for you today. We are talking about family time and some of the things you could do that I like to do with my little man, and that's have Air Mattress movie nights. So let's show you guys how to really let's pack up these air mattresses, because that's the thing I'm noticing. And a lot of people like to buy these things for like a to go type on the fly. Way of sleeping on something if you're gonna go visit in-laws or whatever, or friends or whatever. I know that we have a couple just for that, but my son likes to, as you see in the picture, in the post here I have on my Instagram. If you haven't already, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram, guys. You see the little man, he loves to have, we push the air mattress up against the couch, sit on it, have movie night, you know what I'm saying, eat popcorn, and it's kind of like a slumber party, but it's also a movie night, and just hang out on the air mattress. And then it's always pack it up and store it away. So a lot of easy things that comes with packing it up the proper way is you tidy up your space, you preserve the integrity of the air mattress and the pump, and you can also get that thing back in the bag the way it came in the box. Because that's the easiest way to store these things. So here's a quick video. I'm just gonna talk you through how we just run about going through the day and shutting down movie day and packing this thing back up. So the easiest thing to do is have the pump going in reverse order, and then let your little man or your little one, it doesn't have to be a boy or a girl, jump on it and let them enjoy the deflation process of the mattress. And then as you're going through it, you just want to section off where you see the oval chambers of the mattress. You want to section that off is where you're closing it as close to the pump, so it's like you're creating a line for the pump, and it's you basically folding it over. And then once you, the way I like to do it is I keep it plugged up, so as I'm making the adjustments and making those folds, I'll turn the pump on and off, just so it releases more and more air out of it, just to make it as flat as possible. And then you just continue to do that until you can get it as flat as you can. And then once you make those creases and those seams, you fold it over, and it looks like you're gonna go over the side of the pump. But that's actually the best way to do it, because that's the best way to store these things without messing up the actual integrity of the mattress. Because you know most mattresses lose air over time, because that's what they do. But the longer you can store these things the proper way, the longer they last, and the less money has to come out of your pocket, and you can enjoy more movie nights with the little ones and having air mattress slumber parties. So you want to continue to fold these things over as you see here, and flatten it out as much as possible. Once you have those seams and those creases, I actually use the chambers as a guide. So once I hit the chamber that's crossing over the pump, then I cross over to the other side, and then there is overlap. But the cool thing about it is, because there's no air in it, because you keep running the pump over and over, you can just continue to just roll this thing on up and roll it up and roll it up, and it just fits right there in the bag. And then you can just push it back away in the tidy space. Your space is clean again, and some in-home organization. So I hope you guys like this video. That's just a quick and easy way to tidy up your space and have fun with the little ones while you're in the homes. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, guys, because we got more coming your way. And if you like more content like this, to where I show you how to do things around the house, because that's how you take control of your life. And that's what the remote life is all about. You doing the things you love and loving the things that you're doing, and you're in control of every aspect of your life. So until next time, guys, we out of here. Peace.